The next step is to assess the physical and social context of the individual. You would want to assess the physical home, school, workplace, and vehicle that the individual may use to get to the places that they need to get to. You might also want to keep in mind about temperature, um, so that when you're choosing the materials for the seating system, that, for instance, if it rains, the individual don't have to wait a couple of days or hours for the wheelchair to dry up, for them to have it to use again. Next, you want to look at the social context. So you want to know who the individual um, have in his or her life. So the family members, you might want to educate them on how to operate the system, caregivers, teachers, and other individuals that the person may come in contact with might want to know how to operate the system should in case anything happens.